So, what is machine learning? What does it mean for a machine to have learned something? Here's one definition from way back in 1959 by Arthur Samuel. Machine learning is the field that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. If you found the previous definition too simple, here's a more sophisticated one. A computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P if its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. So we have three variables here: an experience E on a task T and a performance measure P. Let us try to understand the same with the help of an example. Say we want to filter out spam emails in our email inbox. In this case, the task T would be spam filtering. Let us say we have a collection of spam emails and legit emails, or what is called non-spam emails. Uh, so that would be our experience E. And next, we have something called a performance measure P. Think of it like a report card for our machine learning system. So this will tell the machine learning system if it's doing well or not. In this case, it can be the ratio of correctly classified emails or accuracy. That can be one possible performance measure. And there you have it. Combining all of it, we now have a machine learning system to classify spam emails. So here's a quick question. If my machine downloads the entire Wikipedia dataset, is this machine learning? Is my machine actually learning something? Well, the answer to this is no, not really. This isn't machine learning. Surely, the computer now has a lot more data, but is it better at any task? It really isn't. And there is no task defined here. And since we do not have a task, we do not have anything like a performance measured as well. And so, what are we exactly doing here? Hence, downloading a copy of Wikipedia is definitely not machine learning. So, terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, they are thrown around and it can be confusing for beginners. So, let us go over the differences. Uh, Artificial intelligence is basically the broad umbrella under which machine learning and deep learning come under. Artificial intelligence just tries to mimic human behavior, that is, their reasoning ability, their ability to problem solve, etc. And machine learning, we discussed in detail. Uh, this it, it basically focuses on the ability of a machine to learn. So if we are very mindful about this learning aspect and its ability to improve with experience without being explicitly programmed, we call this machine learning, and this can be several statistical techniques, uh, the details of which we'll not be going over in this video. And after that, we have deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and it specifically mimics the human brain. And uh, and basically, if it has to do with anything to do with neural networks, we associated it with deep learning. And so basically, multi-layered neural networks, anything to do with that, we tag it with deep learning. And in an essence, that is it. Of course, there are a lot more nuances to what I just told, but generally this works. And AI is a lot more flexible, like, and uh, when it comes to its definition, AI is a lot more flexible. So on a lower level, AI can just be about complex rules, or it can even be just about simple if-else statements. That would be bad AI, but it's still AI. So AI is a lot more flexible. Machine learning, it's very mindful about the learning aspect of it and its ability to improve without being explicitly programmed. So that is the nuance associated with machine learning. And then you have deep learning, which basically just tries to mimic the human brain, and it has to do with multi-layer neural networks. So that is it. Machine learning is used everywhere. Here are some cool applications: detecting tumors in brain scans, NLP chatbots, speech recognition, recommendation systems such as the one used in Netflix, Amazon, and so on. Generating digital art. Uh, this is something you must have come across. These apps that generate complex filters like Prisma, and a lot of the image editing apps these days use machine learning. And then AI is also capable of generating music, poetry. It's capable of generating codes, writing blogs, and whatnot. Also explore this notion of style transfer. That's very interesting. If you'd like to experience a roller coaster of emotions, I highly recommend that you watch this brilliant documentary on AI called AlphaGo. It's by DeepMind, and it's available on YouTube, and it's an amazing documentary that will help you that appreciate AI on a much more deeper level. Also, do check out things like MuseNet, and you have AI generating images of people who do not exist, such as the one on the right. Then also to check out GPT-3, and its use cases are just magical. In fact, like the chatbots that are powered by GPT 2 and 3, they're so amazing that you often feel like it's a real human being that's at the other end of the app. And that is it for this video. Do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.